Welcome to Resin Rockers. We are doing a fun tutorial today on the iced beverage kit. Each kit includes enough supplies to make 10 of these cute little iced beverage keychains. A couple other supplies you'll need are some slanted tweezers, a mini silicone cup, a stirring stick from Resin Rockers, a portable UV flashlight, UV resin if you did not get it in your kit, and some pinata alcohol ink to color your resin if you wish to do so. So the first step before we do anything else is to fill the cup in the bottom with UV resin. There is a hole in each one of these cups, so it's super important to make sure that before you do anything else, you are filling that hole with resin and curing it to make sure that nothing can leak. So I'm taking my portable UV light here. We do have these for sale in the shop if you don't have one. They're very inexpensive. It just takes one AA battery. So I'm just making sure that resin is completely cured from the inside and the outside of the cup. Go ahead and add your ice cubes. You can use the clear ones or the colored ones that came in your kit. And then what I did was I took my UV resin and I added a little bit of alcohol ink, just a tiny bit. I only use pinata, that's the only one I recommend. Each kit includes a little jar of polymer clay slices in fruit salad. So because I'm going for a lemonade citrus vibe, I picked out some of these citrus pieces to include in my resin. Work them in gently and start pouring them over. You don't have to fill it, just put in enough to coat those ice cubes, making sure that that fruit shows through. You can also add resin, then ice, then resin, then ice to get a more of a layered look if you want. Now for the curing, you can either use your portable UV lamp here and you can just spin your cup around so that you can make sure that it's curing from all angles. Or you can just put it into your regular UV lamp if you want. Now I use the Melody Susie 36 watt UV lamp, but it's completely up to you with what works best. So now you can see it's completely cured. I've got my fruit pieces in there. It looks super, super cute, you guys. The next step is going to be adhering that lid. So take your UV resin and just gently add a little bit all the way around the perimeter of that lid. You don't want to overdo it because then you'll have seepage out the side, so just enough to coat that rim. And then you can take your silicone stick if you want and spread it around, or if it looks good, then go ahead and put that rim on top, give it a press and hold it between your finger and your thumb, and then just hold it tight while you're rotating that UV light around just to make sure you're sealing it from all edges. If you're only using your traditional UV lamp for this part, just make sure you hold it in place for the first few seconds. So now let's go ahead and add our straw. We're going to put a bead of UV resin right into the hole on top of that cap. Put our straw in, make sure the open side is at the top or it's going to look a little weird. Go ahead and cure it with your portable flashlight here. Just make sure you're getting it all the way around each side. This looks really good. And then we're going to go ahead and add our keyring and our tassel. So this comes with 25 different colors. Just pick one that you wish to use. I'm going to go ahead with the hot pink because it goes with my citrus theme. And we're going to use the jump ring and the keyring and adhere it to the side of the cup. There's a hole perfect for that. And there you have it, one of your iced beverages. This is my fruity edition. Love the straw, everything is completely intact, so you can make 10 of these with each kit that you buy. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. These are super cute, you guys. So check them out at resinrockers.com and subscribe and follow for more.